lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and be part of the gang. So on today's video, as the title suggests, we're making a banana bread. So for starters, we need 4 eggs, a cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, buttermilk, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and you mix all your wet ingredients. For the dry ingredients, you need all-purpose flour, baking soda, and baking powder. The recipe is on the description box, so feel free to check it out and try out the recipe. So for your dry ingredients, you'll add it onto your wet ingredients in 2 halves. So pour the flour first, and then you'd pour your banana puree. So that your banana can oxidize, you need to mash it earlier before you start baking, so that you get that nice brown color from the banana. Once you're done mixing the second half of your mixture, you're going to pour your cake batter onto a baking tray. I used the loaf baking trays. I have like 2, so I used those 2. You can use any type of baking tray you have. And so for mine, I did 1 was plain, and the second one I just sprinkled some leftover choco chips on top, and this is how it turned out. So you will bake your banana bread at 180 degrees in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until you get a clean toothpick when you prick it in the middle. You can have this with tea, milk, or just as it is. As you can see, it's super moist. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button.